I'm Tony Poulos and I'm here today with Andres Torres, who is the Strategic Marketing Manager for Ericsson in the Southeast Asia and Oceania region. Andres, welcome. Good to talk to you.
Tony.
Very interested in operators at the moment, really looking at Wi-Fi and adding Wi-Fi capabilities to their networks. Why are they doing this?
Yeah, to keep it simple, I can think of three main reasons at the moment for operators to think about integrating carrier-grade Wi-Fi into their networks. Number one is traffic data growth. At the moment, we are seeing that data is growing very fast all over the world. As a matter of fact, for some operators, the data in their networks is doubling every year. By 2018, according to the Ericsson Mobility Report, we expect data to be 12 times what it is in 2012. So that's a lot of data to deliver. So number two, according to Ericsson Consumer Lab research, we are seeing that for end users, the most important thing is performance. They don't care as much about the device, they don't care as much about the price, they care a lot about performance. So operators need to deliver all this data that we were talking about before, but with superior network performance. And number three, we see a lot of devices being shipped right now that they are Wi-Fi capable. By 2016, we're going to see like 3 billion devices being shipped that are Wi-Fi capable. Many of these devices are Wi-Fi capable only. Like most of the tablets, they don't have cellular capabilities at the moment. So there is an untapped market for operators to tackle and to deliver superior mobile broadband for those end users.
You did mention some of the benefits for end users, but are there others?
Yeah, so for sure. So end users want all this data to deliver to them for their video and for their connections or wherever they are doing. They want to have a superior mobile broadband experience. And the only way to do it, the only way to successfully incorporate carrier-grade Wi-Fi, according to Ericsson, is to have it fully integrated into the 3GPP network in a way that the network has the intelligence to steer each and every single user to the best mobile broadband technology for whatever they want to do. So as an example, if you're walking down the street with a very good LTE connection and you walk into a hotel lobby where there is an operator Wi-Fi not fully integrated into the network, what your device is doing is making the decision to go into Wi-Fi straight away. It connects to Wi-Fi regardless of what the conditions of the macro 3GPP networks are. So it can be LTE beta, it can be CHSPA beta, but your device will always give priority to Wi-Fi.
Right.
So what we want to do is, if Wi-Fi is not the best in that hotel lobby, if in that hotel lobby the LTE is still the best for you, you should be able to stay in LTE.
Wow.
So we want to give the network the power and the intelligence to steer every and single user to the best possible connection according to what the user needs to have a superior mobile broadband experience.
And what is Ericsson doing in the Wi-Fi space that's different from other vendors?
So what is different, what we are doing different, and this is something that we just released a few weeks ago at CTIA in Las Vegas, is a very cool feature called real-time traffic steering. So what we are doing is fully integrating carrier-grade Wi-Fi into the operators' 3GPP networks, into their LTE and 3G networks, so the network is seen as a whole. And this real-time traffic steering functionality, what it does is to characterize each and every single connection in an individual way, so we can steer each user to whatever is best for them according to their needs.
Wow. That's very impressive. And it optimizes the network as well, presumably.
Yeah, of course. I mean, end users are going to get always the best, and operators are going to have full visibility of what the users are up to, what sort of experience are they having. Because as we said before, network performance is what is more important. If the network is not performing well, if the end users don't have a good experience, they are going to lose loyalty to their operators. Yes. So if operators still see what the users or what sort of experience the users are having in Wi-Fi, they are going to be able to guarantee superior performance networks and superior performing broadband in Wi-Fi as well.
How did Ericsson end up in the Wi-Fi space? Because it's not a traditional area.
Yeah, as you know, Tony, Ericsson is number one in mobile broadband. It has always been. We are the leaders in 2G, we're the leaders in 3G, and we're the leaders in 4G. And we are also continuously studying what is happening in the mobile broadband space. We are doing this research and we are doing these projections as well. The Ericsson Mobility Report, as I said before, is showing that by 2018 we are going to have 12 times the data. So because of all that, and because of the conditions for many operators where they see, okay, the data traffic is doubling every year, but they don't have enough licensed spectrum to deliver the data in a superior way. Yeah. So there is a spectrum crunch. The spectrum is a scarce resource. Yeah. So how do we give more resources to operators to deliver mobile broadband offerings? Wi-Fi makes sense because it's a licensed spectrum and it's a way that we can guarantee deliver all this data for the end users. 1 year ago in 2012, Ericsson acquired Bel Air Networks from Canada. By then, Bel Air was a leader in the Wi-Fi space. Yes. Now we have delivered on that acquisition and we have fully integrated those Bel Air products and that Bel Air technology into our network offerings. Yeah. So now we can offer a fully integrated solution that goes end to end and that involves 2G, 3G, 4G and Wi-Fi. No other operator who is so strong in mobile broadband can deliver this.
I think you're in the right space because we're hearing about all the networks now looking at Wi-Fi for multiple reasons and assisting them. And we wish you the best of luck and hopefully catch up with you shortly and find out how things are progressing.
Thanks very much, Tony.
Thank you.